Hey, hi, welcome you all. In this quick video, I'm just going to share that how you can access this 30 days Kubernetes learning plan, which I prepare to help you to learn faster in very less time. So this 30 days plan is covered into 4 weeks. First week is all about foundation. If you are learning from the very beginning, then it gonna help you. Second is about the core Kubernetes object, where you will learn how to scale, how to expose your application into the internet or the client side, and how you can manage the volumes or the storage, and how the state management works in Kubernetes. Third week, it's all about networking and operations, like how you can manage effectively, how you can manage the traffic, how you can monitor the Kubernetes uh, object or workload, I would say. Next week is all about the production and real world Kubernetes examples, how it works in market, how it is deployed in through the CI/CD pipeline, or through or over the cloud Kubernetes platform. So this is how you will learn in these 4 weeks. So now you just need to follow this step by step. So I have prepared everything, like and each day is covered like detailed infographics that will help you to learn through the visuals. Next day again. So the thing is, if you are at level 0, level 2, level 3, or level 5, so it will help you to excel in that manner. So I'll not say that it will be the complete expertise guide, because Kubernetes is all about hands-on. It is will help you to learn, but you will learn more effectively if you implement this in your personal lab or the production environment. So okay, so just go through them, understand how everything works collectively for a perfect solution that will be delivered to your client, and then you do the hands-on. Okay, so that is the only thing you can do from your side once you are done with 30 days, and I'm sure that your level will be either 7 or 8 in Kubernetes. Okay, so this is how from my side. If you find this helpful, I have prepared many things around Terraform, CI/CD pipeline, and other key skills which is needed for cloud, DevOps, and Kubernetes. Even I created many things related to the AI as well, like how LLM works, how what is the RAG model, how model is trained, or how need to be built. These all things I have prepared. So you can follow this link there. You will get all the platform where I am available, and trust me, every platform has their own benefit, because the content type is different for every platform. So thank you for watching me here. How you can get it, just mention Kubernetes in the comment section. I will share the this link with you, so you will learn it from today itself. Thank you for watching. See you in next video.